Hi, I am Prashant Kumar and I am from Jharkhand. And I have completed my BSc IT degree in Ranchi only. After completing my graduation, I came to Bangalore. There I searched so many institutes for my further studies like cybersecurity and networking security. Then I came to know about Networkers Home from Google only. I got enrolled in CCIE security course. Here I learned so many networking courses like CCNA, CCNP routing, switching and various security technologies like VPN and SD-WAN and various firewalls like Cisco ASA, Cisco FTD, Palo Alto, Checkpoint, FortiGate firewalls. With the help of well-trained teachers here, my knowledge get enhanced very good, and like trainers, with the help of trainers like Susin sir, Nikun sir, Ajay sir, Kundan sir, I groomed very well. I would like to really thank team of the Networkers Home, and the very best part of the Networkers Home is that the lab access. There they provide a very real-time devices to work on, where we get hands-on practice, so we can enhance our knowledge and implement on the real devices. So in further we don't get any trouble, and I would like to thank Nikun sir, especially Susin sir and Ajay sir. And after that, they provide the placement sessions and technical sessions. So like how to prepare for the HR round and the technical round that companies ask. So here they conduct every month mock interviews so that we can prepare on the best of the mock interview. We can prepare for the real life interviews, like what kind of questions the real HRs asked in the companies, like technical questions and so on. After that, I got placed in Savient with a good package, and I really like to thank to the Networkers Home. If you have completed your graduation and if you are really interested in networking or network security or cyber security, I strongly recommend you to join Networkers Home. Thank you, Networkers Home, for creating this amazing journey in my career.